Morning. I am heading down to check crops. We've gotten rain for it rained for the last 3 days, kind of off and on, and everything's been wet and muddy, and it quit raining early yesterday morning, so we kind of let all day yesterday, let it dry, and it's 10 o'clock in the morning now, so I'm gonna go see what I'm gonna cut. I guess I'm gonna check to see how wet the field is, because we don't want to go in and get stuck. And two, I'm gonna go see if I can cut beans this afternoon, or just switch everything over and cut some corn today. We don't know yet. Okay, I have a game plan. I'm gonna switch the combine over, start cutting corn. Beans they need a couple days to dry. They're like wet and mushy. I'm going to go get the bean head right now, drop it off the combine, put it on the header cart, bring it back to the farm, take the corn head out to the cornfield, and then come back, and we're going to move the combine, the grain cart, semi. It's a couple hour move to move everything down to the next county. And by the time I move everything to the next county, get the corn head on, get the combine set up for corn, it'll probably be 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then I can start cutting corn. All right, got the combine moved, got the grain cart moved, got the head hooked up, I got the combine switched over to corn, I started to cut some corn, and now I gotta go get a semi, which is alright because I gotta go back to the farm anyway and grab a tool for my son to use for a project he's working on, and then I'll be back out here to cut again. It's only like 3:30, almost 4 o'clock, and I don't even have a semi load yet. Typical. All right, I got all the pieces of the puzzle here. Truck, combine, grain cart, truck. Did you get dizzy on that one? We got one truck full, combine is full. It's time to go get the other semi, and then I think I'm gonna look at the weather, but I think I'm gonna fill the combine and the grain cart also tonight and just let them sit out here. I gotta be honest, when I was looking at this corn, I'm like, it's not a very good stand, but it's yielding pretty good. I'm pleasantly surprised. This is kind of a long field, so I get one pass down and back and I'm full. So that's really good. I mean, where we're at now, it's about 195 to 200 bushel an acre, 233, 26, 250, right there. That's bouncing around in them areas. I'm pleasantly surprised. Check out this moon. It looks way bigger in person than it probably does on your little screen. It's a little brighter there, I guess. I don't know. I'm a dork. But look at the sunset also. Oh yeah, I'm a dork. Alright guys, I'm gonna haul these trucks in the morning. Look how bright that moon is. It's a harvest moon. I'm gonna haul these trucks in the morning and get back to cutting corn. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.